everybody, this is Bonnie and I am coming to you with our November 2020 online workshop class. And we are doing the Peaceful Nativity Scene Bundle. So this is the bundle that the girls have chosen. I usually, every once in a while, I'll put up a poll of a bunch of different bundles and see what ones they want to do. So this is the one they chose, and so we are going to be using this bundle and the die. If you'd like more information on how my card class works, you can email me. My email address is in the description box below, or my Facebook page is in the description box below, and you can go over there, and if you go at the top where they have like photos and posts, there's a little column up there that says notes. If you click on that, and then the notes will pop up, and that'll have all the information in there on how I run my online class. So that is how that works. This is going to be the card that we're going to make today. And before we get started, if you want any of the products, you can go to bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net and you can purchase them. And also, if you will hit the little pink square over there in the bottom right hand corner, that lets you subscribe to my channel, and I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers so I can do a drawing. So if you already subscribed, then share so that we will get more subscribers, and leave a comment and like and all the good stuff. Okay, let's get started on this fun card. So I'm not going to give you the measurements or anything. Like I've said in the past, you get it all in your little tutorial that you ran out, that I printed out for you. So you're going to have your base card, which is Whisper White. Then you're going to have another layer that is going to be Night of Navy. Then we're going to have another layer that is going to be Whisper White. Then I will cut out for you the J and the Y because I used the retired large framelit dies. Now, if you don't have these, if you didn't get these when they were on the clearance rack or before they went on the clearance rack, there are many other dies that are in the catalog that are not similar, maybe a little smaller or, you know, thinner, but they do have dies in there that you could purchase and do this if that's something that you choose to do. But I will be cutting these two out for you, being that it's a die cut, I can do that. And then you are going to get a circle. This is a 2 1/4 inch circle, and then this is a 2-inch circle. Now you'll get this, it won't be stamped, you'll have to stamp on it and color it. I colored this the exact same way as that I colored in number 1 that I told you that I'd be cutting this in, and this is a 2-inch circle. So we can start putting this card together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our base card in half, just like this. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the Night of Navy right to the base card. This is a pretty quick card. After all the other ones that I've done, oh, don't stick, it caught my card. Be forgiving. Whew. Okay. After all the other cards that I have done where they've been so intricate, it's good to have a quick, simple little card. So we're going to set that aside for a minute, and we are going to be bringing in our piece of Whisper White. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to grab our Night of Navy, and we are going to stamp Glory to the Newborn King. And I'm going to stamp this right down here, and the reason why you want to do this first is if you make a mistake, there's 2 sides to the paper and you could flip it over. So you definitely want to do that first. So then I'm going to set that aside. Now after you've stamped and you've colored your circle, you want to take your Night of Navy and you want to take your Night of Navy sponge. That's black. There we go. And you want to dip it in just a little bit. You want to rub off and rub towards it. It's okay if you go over the images. It's giving it that cloudy look, like soft I don't know. I don't really know. You have to wait until you see it. You don't want to like go hard on it. That's why I'm dipping off, damping off. And you just want to do it like that, ever so lightly. It looks like it's in a snow globe to me. That's kind of the look that I was kind of going for. I'll pick it up and I'll show you it a little bit closer. I was going for more of a, it's very soft, but it looks like a snow globe. Okay? So then when we're done with that, you're going to take it and you're going to flip this one over, and we're going to put pop dots on this, because this we want to stand right out. So before we put that down though, I do want to place my joys. So I'm going to put my circle in the middle like that. Then I'm going to put my J on this side and my Y on this side. I'm going to see if I need to adjust it at all. And I think that looks good right there. So now I'm going to get my liquid glue. And I'm just going to hold this and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. And now while this is still, well, wait, one more thing. We're going to take the Night of Navy and we're going to stamp a bunch of like just stars just all around the page, wherever you want them to be. There we go. You can add more, you could add less. So while this is flat, we're going to flip it over and we're going to just put some snail on it and add it to this. Make sure I got the right side. Yep. Okay. And now we're going to remove the dimensionals and we're going to set this right in the center. Now you can add gems or anything more, but I kept it just like this. I think this is beautiful. I think that that just stands out from everything else. You could add some Wink of Stella onto our little snowflakes, but there you go, everybody. That was our last card, but I think it needed to be quick after our other 3 cards that were pretty lengthy. So I hope you've enjoyed this series for the ones that are in my online class, and I hope the ones that just popped in and haven't been on it, I hope they enjoy it. And if you would like the products, you can go to bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and if you would like more information on how to join my online class, there's my email address, like I said in the beginning, and the link below, and there's also my Facebook page where you can go over there and read where it says notes, and you can message me on Messenger from Facebook page, anything to find out the information that you would like to know about my classes. And I'd love to have you join them. And please subscribe, like, all the good stuff so I can get to my 2,000 subscribers. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.